Hey, Impact Innovators, it's Lysandra. So, let me ask you a question. What's really holding you back from building passive income? If you've ever said, I don't have time, I'm not tech savvy, or I don't know where to start, well, this video is for you. I'm going to be talking about the real reasons women hold themselves back and how you can break through using tools that are already available to you, even if you don't know it all yet. A lot of people think passive income means get rich quick or make money while you sleep with no effort. But let me be totally clear, there's work up front. It takes a lot of patience, strategy, and a little bit of faith. But once it's set up, you're no longer trading time for money. I do know that a lot of people think, and a lot of times it's put out there like in different content that you see, that you can make passive income and do very little work. I'm here to tell you that is absolutely not true. It will take a lot of work, but the goal is to create it so you only have to create it once, do very little updates because you do have to update things, but the goal is to have it generate money without you having to put a lot of time into it. Like, I have a lash studio. That is me physically getting up, seeing clients performing a service. Whereas my digital products for my lash course, my ebooks, and other digital products I put work into creating them once. So if I go to sleep, I wake up in the morning and I have a notification that someone has bought a course. Now, I don't want you to get it confused with what you see on social media, these people making tens and thousands of dollars. I'm talking about money that will help me pay a light bill, money that will help me put food on the table, money that will help me do more to create more passive income. That's what I'm talking about. So if you thinking this video is about to tell you like I made $10,000 in like a night or a week or a month, 9 times out of 10, no. Now, have I made money? Yes. Money like that, it happened over time. So I just want to keep it real with you. Most of the time, it's not the tools, it's mindset. Fear of not knowing enough, fear of not being perfect. I have done that. Or waiting until you figure everything out before starting. But guess what? Nobody starts with all the answers, not even me. I built my own business, my own digital product business, one step at a time, learning as I go. And now those same products help generate income for me while I sleep, while I work, while I rest, whatever. So even if you have a little bit of knowledge, that knowledge somebody will pay you for. And they will pay you for it by way of an ebook, a planner, whatever it is. But don't feel like, well, I don't know enough, or I'm not certified, I'm not a professional, whatever it is. Even if you have 1 day of knowledge, 2 hours of knowledge, 5 hours of knowledge, even if you went on YouTube, put it all together and figured it out, that is something someone will pay you for. And when you have that knowledge and you can package it where it can make you money passively, that right there is gold. You don't need to create everything from scratch. That is why I created LadyBossChick.com. It is a space full of digital products you can customize to fit your brand and your voice. You can start with something that you already know. Are you good at planning, coaching, budgeting, styling, makeup, lashes, whatever it is? Take that knowledge, plug it into a digital product, and now you have something you can sell over and over again.
Do not have to create your own digital products. If you want to get started quickly, then I do have the solution for you. At LadyBossChick.com, these are digital products that you can customize, to be in your brand voice, and you can sell to your audience. The key thing is you do want to make sure that you rebrand these with your own pictures, your own verbiage, your own text, whatever you want to use to make it your own. But these are already done for you. So we're just going to kind of look at one of these that you could actually download for your business. Let's take this one, 150 digital product ideas for your business. This is easily, you can easily edit it in Canva, but when you purchase from LadyBossChick.com, this is what you will get. You will get a 45-page guide, which gives you 150 profitable digital product ideas. And as bonuses, you will get edible stock photos, and then you will also get an invitation to join my free Impact Innovators community. So with this, you'll get 150 digital product guides. You don't have to have any tech skills to edit this. You can easily edit this in Canva. You can put your own price on it. I would highly encourage you not to give it away as a freebie, because when you give away things for free that's like this, you will get nothing but freebie seekers. So I wouldn't do that. I would put a price on it. It is great for a new business or an existing business, and you do have PLR and MRR rights, which means you can rebrand, resell, and create your own monthly recurring revenue. And like I said, you get the edible stock photos, which will allow you to edit your own or this product, and you can put pictures there which are totally different because you really need to rebrand this. With the 150 digital product ideas guide that you can rebrand, you do get 45 pages of content or text. All of this you should rebrand to fit your brand and let it speak in your authentic voice. So you should be changing out the pictures. And just as an example, we'll click on this, the wedding and event printables. So this is giving you an example of what the page will look like, and these are just ideas for your audience, and you're helping them to figure out what type of digital product they could make. And then to easily change out the pictures, you would just click on it. Let's take another one. No, we'll do this one. So to change out the pictures, you would just go here, and you do not have to have the paid version of Canva. You can easily change out these pictures in the free version, but you would just click here, you would hit delete, and then the picture frame will still be here. You would go to uploads, and then you can easily pick a picture to enter into this spot. You just drag it over, easy peasy, very easy. And then for the pictures, I am giving you pictures that you can use to rebrand. If you like, you can use your own, but I'm giving these as a bonus. And for my Luxe Melanin collection, you will get a total of 300 pictures, as you can see here. Let's give it a minute, let it refresh so you can see the pictures. There we go. So you will get a total of 300 pictures from the Melanin collection. And then I am also giving you the Aesthetic Beige collection as well. And with this one, you will get 150 pictures that you can change out. But like I said, it's easily editable in Canva. You do not have to have the paid version. You can always start out with the free version. I will always recommend the paid version, but this guide is easily editable in Canva, and you can use the free version. Now, the last bonus that I'm giving away when you do purchase a product from ladybosschick.com is you will become a member of the free Impact Innovators community. And within this community, I try to give you tips, tricks, and things that will help you to either start a business or grow your business. So one of the things I give out is, like, I do affirmations. And I give you Google links to the affirmations, which is very nice to have because you should always be in a positive mindset. And then I also give out tips to help you, like with your reels or your TikToks. But like this, for example, I'm giving away to my community 101 ready to use hooks and reels, which helps you to easily create content. But you will become a member of this once you purchase a product from ladybosschick.com, and this Impact Innovators community is free, and it's a way for you to learn more and also for you to connect with other women that are doing the same thing as you. So it's a way to stay motivated, inspired, and to get more knowledge so you can either grow or scale or even start your business.
This isn't something that I just sell and I'm just telling you. I'm actively doing this. I've used these same exact digital products to create planners, guides, courses, checklists, all different types of things. But they're the reason I've been able to create new streams of income without burning out. Now, when I first started, I was, and I still am, an Etsy-holic. Like, I would buy things from Etsy that were only PLR or MRRs. And if you don't know what those stand for, that stands for private label rights or master resale rights. I would only buy things like that. And I would buy those things so I could turn it and make it work for me. So that is how I created things like my ebook, my checklist, my lash course. That was a little bit more detailed. Like, I literally had to write that out. But I feel like once I created that digital course from scratch and saw how much time that took, I was like, no, 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 no. There has to be an easier way to do this and still be authentic about what I am bringing out. And I found that by way of PLR and MRR products that I constantly bought off Etsy. So here's the thing. You don't need to know everything. You just need to get started. You can always learn more, improve more, and adjust along the way. But starting now means that you're that much closer to having a product out that works for you and is making you money even when you're not physically working. And remember, focus on a topic you already know something about. That's your edge. That's your zone of genius. I will say that if you try to talk about something or put a product out that you want to make passive income and you're not skilled, not really skilled in it, that's not the word I'm looking for, but at least you know something about it. Even if you spend like one day just hands on, that will translate when you start to talk about your product or when you create your ebook planner or whatever it is. So I'm not saying like go spend all this money or all this time. Speed brings progress. For me, speed brings progress. So for me, I'm notorious for that. If I learn something like in a day or two, then I am literally going to figure out, now how can I package this to teach people the tips that I learned so they will pay me for that knowledge? That's me. So I'm not spending like weeks and months doing all this. No, I learn it, figure it out, maybe do a little bit of hands-on, figure out what worked for me, package it up, and then sell it to somebody else who will pay me to learn it, who don't want to spend the time that I spent trying to do it. That's just me. And that's worked for me. And I guarantee you it will work for you. So just stick to your zone of genius or what you know about. Make a product that people will pay you the knowledge for, and that's your passive income. Now, are you ready to stop trading your time for money? Well, head over to ladybosschick.com and grab a digital product that fits your vision. I got a ton. I got planners, ebooks, all that. You can customize it, sell it, and start building your passive income stream today. And guess what? When you purchase, you will get free access to my Impact Innovators group. It is a community of women just like you building businesses and supporting each other along the way. So let me leave you with this. You are not behind. You are just getting started. And I am here to help you every step of the way. So let's go. Your passive income journey starts today. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you got value from this video, comment below about something that you want to create to bring you passive income. I want to support you. I want to hear what you got to say, what you about to get popping, all that. I want to know about that. Comment below. And with that, thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when I post more content. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.